Hi, I'm KHN Akuna Matata and welcome back to my channel. And as promised, today is 30th of August and I'm going to announce the winner of this lovely mini tripod that can be turned as a vlogging, handle or whatever vlogging gear or vlogging tripod or mini pod and on whatever that could be turned. But it is so steady, so great, and I'm so excited that I'm able to announce the winner today. But before we announce the winner, I want to set the next exciting giveaway. Just wait for it. And before that, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Yeah, let's bring it up. Before I announce the winner of the August giveaway, I'm announcing a new giveaway. This DJI Mavic Air drone that I'm giving away. So for the chance to win this one, you just subscribe. And I want by the end of September to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and also share that with other people to subscribe. So when I reach 1,000 subscribers by end of September, I'm gonna announce the winner of this beautiful DJI drone and I will send it to you. But if by end of September I have not reached 1,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna roll this giveaway to October. All right, and then we see at the end of October how far we will get to reaching the 1,000 subscribers or not, and then we'll make a decision together. All right, good deal? And I guess it's a good deal. Come on, this drone is no cheap drone. It's a really good DJI Mavic Air drone. It's really expensive. It's a combo. We got batteries and all those kind of stuff. So it's a very good giveaway. So subscribe to my channel and like this video. It's a simple thing. So let's get back to announcing the winner of this August giveaway. What I have done, I just look at my list of all the subscribers that I have. And one thing that I must emphasize is that I have 53 subscribers, but I'm only able to see 21 subscribers. Because when you subscribe, if your subscription is private, I'm not able to see it. So I'm not able to pull out of the list. So I end up with only 21 subscribers out of 53 subscribers. That's really a shame. I wanted to give an opportunity to everybody. And also probably some people subscribe with the chance to win that, but they did not manage to put their subscribe them public so that I could be able to see it. That's really unfortunate, but that's why it is. So what I have done, I just went through the list. I have 21 subscribers that YouTube show me. So, and then I put number 1 till 21, and randomly I pull one number, and the number that I pull out is a number 4, and the number that match number 4 that matching with that name in the list is VFX Toad. So VFX Toad, if you're watching that video, please send me private message on my Twitter. Here is my Twitter, or if you're not on Twitter, so also send me private message on Instagram. Here is my Instagram, and then we can organize privately how I'm be able to post this lovely mini tripod that can be also turned as a vlogging tripod. It's very, very good. So I will be sending to you that, and I'm really pleased that we managed to complete this giveaway and someone have a chance to win it. So next is this drone, Mavic Air. It's a very beautiful, it costs about 700 pound with the combo. That's the combo one. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and by the end of September, when we reach 1,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna announce the winner. And if we don't reach 1,000 subscribers by end of September, so we push it to October, and then from there we see how far we got before making a decision about this one. So thank you very much. Akuna Matata, and for me, always love to you. Stay safe, stay protected, and God bless you. And I will see you whenever I see you around my channel. Thank you for your support. It's been wonderful, bringing video to you. Thank you very much.